So I'm working through the API testing challenges at apichallenges.herokuapp.com, and the next challenge is to get the to-dos with no except header. And with no except header present, we expect to see a default JSON format. Now this one is actually harder than we might expect. So if I do a get on to-dos, there's my headers, I've got the X challenger, I haven't put in an accept header, so I send it, and we see the results in the preview. The accept header was being sent through as accept anything. A way of solving this would be to create the condition that we want in here, and if I generate code, I can generate it as curl, and we can see here that there's no accept header being sent through in this request. So if I copied that and sent that through in the terminal, then that would solve the challenge because there's no accept header being sent through. We just have to be careful that sometimes the tools tell us that they're sending through accept headers, and in order to pass this particular challenge we need to make sure there is no accept header in the request. But we can also see that when we do not pass in an accept header, then we generally get back what the server has decided is the default, and in this case that is JSON. And I'm deliberately putting it in curl to make sure that we are sending this through without an accept header, just in case. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.